Today I'm going to show you how you can make the text size larger on your iPhone. So you might notice that within my settings right here, my menus might look a little bit larger than yours do on your iPhone right now. So here's the way that I did this. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you go into your settings, and then you want to go to where it says accessibility. You can tap into here. Once you're in accessibility, you can go down to where it says display and text size. We can go tap into this, all right? And then we have this little menu right here. Now, right now it says that it's off, but obviously you can tell that my text is probably larger than what you have on your phone right now. So let's go ahead and tap into this, and I'll kind of show you why. So down here on the bottom, as default, you can go up to this size right here. And keep in mind that whatever you set it to, this is also going to change the text size within any app that supports basically a dynamic type, okay? But let's say that even all the way up here is just not large enough for you. Well, then you can just go to larger accessibility sizes and toggle that on. And then you can actually make this very, very large pretty much as you can get here on the phone. It's pretty ginormous, right? So hopefully this video will help you out here. If it did, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.